G'day, welcome to DynaPoll.net. This is a very quick video just to show you some of the features that you have as a registered user. So I've logged in and I've clicked on the create a poll. So I'm going to create a poll and I've filled in some of the details already. So what is your favorite breed of dog? 3 is the number of answers that will show in the final results. So when we're looking at the finished poll, it's going to be like the top 3 dogs. You still have your alternatives, obviously, that come into play as the poll evolves during the voting process. Poll finish date, that's pretty obvious. When do you want to keep this poll going till? Private or public? If it's public, you can find it in the poll browser. You can find it by searching, and you can find it via Google, I guess, if you like. Whereas if it's private, only you know the URL, and you have to you can post that wherever you want, on a forum or on your website, or or somehow or other give it to someone else to come and participate. But basically it kind of limits it to a bit of an invitation sort of basis. And then the tags, so the sorts of tags, for example, for this would be dogs, or breed of dog, or favorite dog, or favorite, or I don't know, something like that. So we'll go with dogs. Now I'm going to create it. Alright, so it's created, and this is the voting page after it's been created. So we won't need to worry about that. Okay, so I'm going to go to my polls now. I'll show you some of the administrative features that you have and some of the reporting features you have. So the My Polls page shows you all the polls that you currently have open, and I'm going to run through very, very quickly each of the things that you can do to them. Okay, first of all, you can change the finish date by clicking on the finish date and giving a different finish date and updating. You can click on the actual question and it will take you to the poll. Okay, and if you voted within the last 24 hours, it'll take you to the results page. Public or private, you can make it private by clicking on it. You can click it again to take it back to public. And you can increase the answer limit and decrease the answer limit here. So if I go back to my poll for chocolate bars now, 3 are up here, 1's down here, and before we had 4 up the top, and we had no alternatives, if you recall, like that. So you can do that. Edit. Edit means that you can edit the question, and it must be small cosmetic changes only, because obviously people are voting, participating. You don't want to change the question on them. So there's a spelling mistake in this, so I'm going to fix it. I'm going to make it your favorite chocolate. Update that. And then the answers that people post, you can also edit those. You can remove them. So let's say you think someone's submitted an answer by mistake, or for whatever reason, you can remove it. And if you click that, you'll be warned. It will get rid of it. Now, spam will do exactly the same thing. It'll remove it, but it'll also mean that if the person that submitted that tries to submit another answer, they won't be allowed, because you have associated their IP address, if you like, as being a spammer by clicking on that. And again, you'll get a warning. So use those as you see fit, and please do take care of your own polls, because obviously with the nature of DynaPoll, it's possible that people will take advantage of the opportunity of posting whatever they want in this area. So what else? You can delete your poll completely. You can close it. If you click close, it just changes the date to yesterday, and it's closed. So I'm going to open it back up again by simply giving it another date in the future, and now it's open again. Reporting. Okay, so what's your favorite chocolate bar? If I click the report on that, it shows you what are the current results. It also shows you the number of votes that you've had each day that people have made a vote. And then there's this poll evolution report, which, if you can imagine, a poll that's been alive for a while, it's received a fair few votes. This will be quite interesting. On the first day, this is what, at the end of the first day, this is what it looked like. And then on the next day, it looked like that. And so if you can imagine, being able to click here and scrolling through a bunch of dates, and the pages that can keep going, and you'll be able to see by clicking on it how your polls evolved over time. So basically, they're the features I wanted to show you today, just to get you started with your time on DynaPoll. Have fun. Cheers, bye.